Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Wednesday, March 24th, 2021. It is 8:34 and 55 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, Bio-Nano Interface. So let's talk to it here. One step closer to unlocking mysteries of the Bio-Nano Interface. Proteins choreograph the infinitesimal dance of living cells and functional biomaterials. Date March 11, 2021. Source, Lehigh University. Summary. An interdisciplinary research team has unraveled how functional biomaterials rely upon an interfacial protein layer to transmit signals to living cells concerning their adhesion, proliferation, and overall development. According to a recent article, the nanoscale features and properties of an underlying substrate do not impact the biological response of cells directly. However, these properties indirectly influence cell behavior through their control over absorbed proteins. In the article, nanostructure of bioactive glass affects bone cell attachment via protein restructuring upon absorption. The Lehigh team demonstrates that living cells respond to interfacial layer characteristics that arise as a consequence of micro and nanoscale structures engineered in a substrate material. These infinitesimally tiny structures have an enormous impact upon the nature of the proteins and how they restructure themselves and electrostatically interact with the material, which in turn influences the manner in which cells attach to the substrate and develop over time. There are others who have studied the interfacial protein layer, but this work showed directly and unambiguously for the first time how some specific nanoscale features of the substrate can impact the secondary molecular structure of the protein-aided interface that in turn affects the response of the cells that are thousands of times larger. Lehigh is increasingly recognized as a place where interdisciplinary team science is taking root and flourishing. The creation and mission of Lehigh's Interdisciplinary Research Institutes is a strategic expression of this notion, and this project is an expression of that notion in action, and the crucial role that our students play, with support from a broad faculty team, speaks for itself. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on Advanced Engineering, Computer Science, and Space Technology. This video is strictly for educational purposes. We hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.